Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. So today it's another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing Apple Watch Series 8 41 mm. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video, unbox this and see what are the things they provide out of the box, and also we'll do the initial setup. So yeah, please enjoy. So this is how it has arrived. Let's unbox this. So there's a strap here and the watch dial inside this. There are some papers. Let's keep it aside. There's a charger. So let's quickly check this. So it's a Type C, and there's the magnetic charger. Now let's remove the dial. It's a 41 mm. So this is how it is. So I don't want to tear this paper. Let's open without tearing this. And there's the dial. I've ordered. So I've ordered this color actually. I didn't get any other color. I need to change the strap later on. So let's open this. So these are the two straps which they give. There is a smaller size. It's a bigger size based on your wrist size. You can use it. Men can use this strap and women can use this strap. As is a unisex, they provide both the straps. So that's about what's there out of the box. So let's quickly turn this on and see. Probably there won't be any charge. So I've turned this on. Let's wait for some time. So it has turned on. It says to continue connect Apple Watch to its charger. So let me charge this for some time and come back. I've charged a bit. So it says bring iPhone near to Apple Watch. So let's bring it closer. Let's see. So it has detected. Let's click on continue. It says restoring. Let's wait for some time. So it's done. It's asking for some permissions. If you want, you can allow it, and you can set it. Can click on setup for myself. It's asking hold Apple Watch up to the camera. Let's do that with some special QR. So it says Apple Watch is paired. So it says setup Apple Watch. It's asking our preferences. Let me select it. Select it as left. So this is what I see in Apple Watch when it's setting it up. So terms and conditions, agree. So it's saying sign into messages on your iPhone to receive messages on your Apple Watch. Even when I'll just skip this as of now. Watch analytics, don't share, create a long passcode. So here we need to create. So let me create. So I've created one passcode. So here you can do some other settings as well. I'll just give setup later. Click OK. So click continue, skip this. I'll just skip everything as of now. Click on continue, click on continue, click on continue, not now. So continue. So it will talk about our watch. So click on done. So it's doing rest of the work over here. This has to reach all the way here. So wait for some time. So this is actually taking a lot of time. It's still syncing. It says Apple Watch is syncing. So meanwhile, let's add the strap without wasting any time. So let me take this. Let me take this, and this also is done. So let me quickly show you all how to put these strap. So there's a strap which I got with the watch. This is the color which I've ordered. Simple thing. This portion has to come on top of this little dial, so it will come here, and there is a silver color which has to go beneath. So you just need to push it something like this, and you should hear a tick sound coming out, something like that. So it will be locked. Same thing you'll have to do on the other side as well. You'll have to, the silver part should come underneath. There's a little slot over here to lock. So just need to put like this, and it will be locked. And removing the strap is also simple. There are two buttons given. You'll have to press that and slide out the straps. You have to press this and then slide out this strap. It's that simple. Same thing on the other side as well. You have to press this button and pull the strap out. That's simple. Hope this was useful. So then you can put on your wrist. So putting into your wrist is a little challenging. You'll have to have good used to this watch. So first thing what you have to do is put the watch, then bring it closer to wherever you want to tighten it. So this is where I'm tightening it, and then put it inside this. So that's how you put the watch, and it's that simple. It might be a little challenging initially, but later on you'll get used to it. And I've also bought extra straps. I paid around 200 rupees for this, which you can replace with this one. And I also have a cover for this to make it completely black, so you can buy this as well if you want. If you are not liking this particular color, then you can change the color using all these covers, and you can change the strap. So this is how it looks. So if you want, you can put a passcode, or if you don't want, you can not put that. So this is how the menu looks like. Let's quickly check our heart rate and see what it shows like. It says 87 bpm. Let's see what else can we check quickly. So for this one, we need to do some setup. We need to install some app. So yeah, this is about it. This is a quick unboxing and initial setup of Watch Series 8, Apple Watch Series 8. So you can add additional apps as well if you need. So this is a cellular model as well. So let's quickly see how it sounds. Hello, hello. So I've recorded something. Let's see how it sounds. Hello, hello. Mic test, mic test. So it doesn't sound bad, not very loud, but that's all you can expect from Watch. So yeah, that's about it. Nothing much. You can change uh, or add additional dials as well as per your preference. So let me quickly show you all how to unlink the watch from iPhone and delete everything, so that if you want to set up everything from starting, Let me show you all how to do that. So I have this watch, Apple Watch Series 8. So let me quickly show you all how to unpair this from your iPhone. So what you'll have to do is go to watch app. There's an option called all watches. Click on that. Click on this information icon, and at the bottom you will see Unpair Apple Watch. Just click on that and you can just unpair this. Need to reconfirm by giving the password. So let me add the password and come back. Once you put the password, just click on Unpair and it should be processing. It will take some time, and finally everything will be erased and it would be unpaired from your phone as well. Hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's about it. Guys. Hope the video is useful. Let me know in the comments, and yeah. So that's all in the video, guys. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.